It is time to motivate because it's Monday, and I specifically want to motivate you on some walking today. Welcome, this is Sheri with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. It's Employee Health and Wellness Month, and I want to tell you a story about walking in the office. Believe it or not, you can actually get a lot of walking in your office, assuming you're, not a little home office and that's the only place that you are. But if you're in a traditional office setting where you have a copy room and a break room and other people's offices and a foyer and a lobby and those types of settings, oh yeah, you can get some walking in. My story is, when I was at Vanderbilt Medical Center, I was the membership director at the Wellness Center, and I wore an old-fashioned pedometer. This was before phones and apps and all that. So, I had a little pedometer that I clipped on. And I noticed one day that I was missing about a half a mile to a mile every day compared to what I used to get in. And I thought, how in the world did that happen? I thought, well, I parked the same place because I would always park about a half mile away to walk in. And I did all the same activities. And then it hit me. I had moved offices. In this building, I had initially been on one end of the building and the break room and the copy room were on the other end. Then I moved offices closer to the main area, and when I would go to the copy room, when I would go to the break room, it wasn't that far. It was just a few steps at that point. That was the only change that I made. So if you think that, oh, I'm not able to get exercise in during the day, you probably are going to be able to. Just track it and find some new ways to move. One of the ideas that always comes up is if you have an email that you need to send to someone, if you have a Slack message that you need to send to somebody and they're just down the hallway or a floor above or a floor below, go see them in person. Another is have walking meetings. This is such a great thing to do if you have no computer that's necessary for that meeting, you're problem solving, brainstorming something, go for a walking meeting. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe so you can be the first to receive these videos. And until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.